to Cañete. Cañete na din nakabataan. Shot na running by 10. Shot na running by 9. Assassin pick up.
Number 26. Just number 36. Shot clock running by 14. Quarter of the game. Shot clock running by 13. Shot clock running by 12. 2-point lead.
Jagol
14.
Yeah.
3 points. Into jersey number 0. Napawalan na rin na 2. 37 seconds. Shot clock remaining. Bigo for 3. Not good. With a follow-up. That's good for the 2 points. Not good. Rebound by Cañete. With a follow-up. That's good for the 2 points. Rebound by jersey number 0. Stable by head. For 2. That's good for the 2 points. Ay, tisik-o. Cañete pa rin nagdala ng bola. For 3. That's good for the 2 points. Cañete na kinuha sa pato. Lapinha with a drive sa ilalim. That's good for the 2 points. Dipping the ball. Jersey number 0 for 2. That's good for the 2 points. Try number 0 ng bawat net. With a drive. That's good for the 2 points. Wala na yung result. Jersey number 0 for 2. That's good for the 2 points. And Steve Joba. Shot clock running by 12. Lapinha with a foul. Johnson with a foul.
Doon, dapat bet ay.
Bola. Lapinha with a passing. Lapinha with a drive. That's good for the 2 points. Number 4. Yes. Lapinha.
Tigdaoy.
Let's go by jersey number 26. With a follow-up. That's good for the 2 points. In the clock. 13 seconds remaining. 14. That's good for the 3 points. Not good. Rebound by jersey number 26. That's good for the 2. Rebound by Lawas. Pass to basket. Basket for Tulit. Pass to Wilson. Pass to Atlantic. That's good for the 2 points. They go with a drive. Not good. Rebound by Vasquez for 2. That's good for the 2 points. Yes, for 2. That's good for the 2 points. Spin the ball. Nakita kabasan. Making a play. Pinasa sa ilim. Gorgonia for 2. That's good for the 2 points. Gorgonia fires the 3. Number 0. Jersey number 0. That's good for the 2 points. Cañete with the ball. Cañete with the drive. That's good for the 2 points. Dribbling the ball. Then Leka wide open for 2. That's good for the 2 points. Leka, jersey number 26. Dribble the ball for 2. One table zone. Cañete with the follow. That's good for the 2 points. 17. For 3. That's good for the 3 points. Lapinha. That's good for the 2 points. That's good for 1. Final quarter of the game. Lapinha passes for 2. That's good for the 2 points. Vilica. That's good for the 2 points. Rebound by Lapinha. Lapinha to Viniscante. Shot at Roy Bedell. Lapinha pa rin. That's good for 2. That's good for the 2 points. Not good. For the follow-up. That's good for the 2. For the drive. Bola. Dileka to the ball. Shot clock running by 14. Shot clock running by 12. Dileka with a drive. That's good for the 2 points with a foul. Minutes and 3 seconds remaining. 10-point lead. Inobin tayo. With a drive. Cañete.